your day.
Today is your day.
Yes. Aya,
Happy birthday
you. Happy birthday to you, Pans. This is Pans. This is Pans. Go there, see your mom. Jesus. Oh Lord. Thank you. Mommy, thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. I love you. I love you.
My country people, now know say Sonia's birthday will not be complete without mommy Uche Nancy are doing herself as the mommy of the birthday girl. Hello. Now so yesterday she tells Sonia, my daughter, my womb opener, you think say you don't celebrate your birthday? No, now your mommy has not celebrated you yet. Now so the woman come celebrate our queen in a grand style. My people gift too shock. As I dey see the gift now, they chook my eyes. I say, Mom Uche Nancy, come and adopt me now. At least, as Nnebe is there, make me myself come there also. Make we become one. Hello. My gift too choke. Seriously. Pounds were raining. Pounds. Una know wetin hard currency be? Pounds were raining on Sonia Uche. That's to show you that's how queens roll. We know they do on a regular currency. We are dealing on hard currency. I was so happy for her. Look at her receiving gift. Telling mommy, I love you so much. Even with all your wahala, I too love you. That Sonia Uche is being celebrated today. It cost you a few, mommy Uche Nancy. She was so happy. She was so emotional yesterday. Say, mommy, thank you. Thank you for bringing me this far. Thank you for all you did for me. Thank you for not giving up on us. Thank you for standing with us. Even in thick and thin, you were there for us. She appreciated her mommy so much, and her mommy was so happy. And she was very proud, seriously. Again, a fan of Sonia Uche gifted her from UK. Yes, she sent in pounds. I say, my queen, you need to be celebrated in hard currency. She sent her pounds to celebrate her birthday. Mother yesterday choke. There were a lot of gifts from different people. Gift to choke. I don't know why I'm emphasizing on that chokeness, because it chokes. I was just seeing the gift. I was like, almost Sonia, you are loved though. But who no go love our queen now? She's so free-spirited. She's so gorgeous. She's a goddess on her own. Yes, she's a goddess. She's our screen goddess. Nobody beats her on beauty. I talk am again, say she's the most beautiful girl in Nollywood. She's so pretty. Seriously, see skin now. Our chocolate millennium queen. You are loved, my baby girl. Who no go love you now? Who no love you should enter poto. We no care. Hello. Okay, guys, make I play the video. Make una watch. Let's watch this beautiful piece together. I'm sure you're gonna like it, and it will make your Sunday morning. Let's watch this together.
Foreign currencies now. Thank you. Don't mention.
Okay, let me go and make my hand soon as see my own gift.
Please get us to hear what. Nnebe, keep your money.
Wait, what is that? My birthday is coming. It's a gift. Happy birthday. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So much.
Bugatti. Buga.
Your name is supposed to be Bugatti.
Yes.
That's Bugatti.
Buga.
As in Bugatti.
Here, come on, make my
How? Thank you so much, as you do. Short, most importantly, thank you for taking care of my mom and my sister.
Yes,
I really appreciate it. Mommy ate plenty, but at least she lost some weight. And I'm grateful.
She waka, that's why she lost her weight.
Everybody's knowing Sonia. Sonia. See the pillar. Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday once again to our beautiful diva Sonia Uche. I wish you many more years. I wish you long life and prosperity. I wish you good health, more money in your bank account. You will live to see your children's children. Ami Jesu. Okay, guys, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more banging news with the Totori body. Unana see they do and for here. For my page now, Broko News I they share. Update with the Totori body now I they share. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is within Richest TV. Do well to like, comment, share my videos. See, they give me one kind of encouragement to continue. Stay safe out there. Oh yeah, now. Bye.